Let's review how to use the Find a Nurse function on the ANBLPN website. This function is open to the public, however, it is particularly useful for employers who wish to verify the current license status of an LPN. Go to www.anblpn.ca. Next, click on one of the Find an LPN buttons. On the search page, you have the option of searching by member number, first name, and last name. Searching by member number is the most efficient method as it has less room for error, for example, different name spellings, which could result in the search not finding an LPN that is in fact registered. If you choose to search by name, try searching either the first or last name only. This will bring up a list of any LPNs with that name. This is helpful if the LPN has had a name change or if there are alternate spellings of their name. Let's try searching for Amy. Type her name in the first name box, then click on the search button. The results show any LPN who has the name Amy, whether it is a first or middle name. Note the license statuses of active, expired, and non-practicing. LPNs must have an active license in order to practice in New Brunswick. You will also see the registration effective date as well as the expiry date of the current license status. Next, let's look at the license details. Click on the Details button on the right side of the screen. On the Details page, you will find the following information. When the LPN was first registered in New Brunswick, his or her current status, the status effective date, and expiry date. You will also see the LPN's current employers listed. Any specializations the LPN has registered in our database, in this case, adult physical assessment and immunization, any conditions to his or her license, and finally, the LPN's license history. Remember, it is a shared responsibility of the LPN and employer to ensure LPNs are working with active licensure.